Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis previously, so that is where this green line here is coming from, and that represents 94 cents. And 94 cents is very, very important because that was the big level of support, which is essentially telling us whether or not the price was making progress or if the price was going back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, that's not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. And after today's price movement, that is exactly what we have. You can see that the price has now closed down below 94 cents. So the big question going forward is just this a little temporary break, and can the price quickly get back up above it? Or is the price going to just continue to separate to the downside? So the key dynamic, especially early next week, is if the price does continue to move to the downside, we'll just realize that all that's telling you is that the price is getting further and further to going right back to where it all started. And again, that is not any sort of sign of true strength. But as of right now, I'm still willing to give the bulls a little bit of wiggle room because, there's a couple times here where the price broke down below 94, but then the price quickly got back up above it. So again, the price is down below that level. So my question is, maybe the price can get back up above it. But again, if that doesn't happen and the price just continues to drift further and further downwards, well, that would just be more confirmation that this very nice movement right here ultimately just turned out to be a dead cat bounce with the price, returning back to where it was. So key dynamic definitely by far is, what is the price going to do relative to 94 cents? Is the price going to get back up above it or just continue to separate to the downside, which, like I said, that would be just a huge sign of bearishness. In the event the price does work its way back upwards, then key overarching level of resistance remains up there, that pink line, the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at 97 cents. But definitely the main dynamic going forward is that 94 cent mark. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.